Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing video of some toys from the Disney Pixar film Turning Red, which starts streaming on Disney Plus on March 11th. These toys come to us from Just Play, who sent us the toys for the purposes of this unboxing and sharing more information about the products with you. What we're looking at today is the Many Moods of Red Panda May animated plush. We have 3 mystery minifigures that we're going to unbox, and we have one of the doll options for Meilin from the film, and we'll talk a little bit more about the other dolls that are available while we unbox that one. But we will start with the animated plush because that's the one that I'm the most excited about. With the Many Moods plush, as you can see on the back of the box, when you squeeze the tummy, the face changes. So her eyebrows are going to raise, her mouth is going to open, her eyes are going to look a little more angry. And you do that by squeezing the tummy, and then it's also going to speak and play a little bit of music from the film. And the packaging of the plush makes it easy for you to try it out in stores, and this is available from a variety of retailers. Retail price is around $25 on the Many Moods of Red Panda May. So we are going to take her out of the box and see if there are any additional modes outside of the demo mode. Here's the plush out of the package, and it does have a really nice big red panda tail, just like Meilin in the movie. So on to different modes. This is recommended for ages 3 and up, and it does have a Velcroed back. The hook side, the sharper side of that Velcro is actually more of a soft felt, so anyone worried about little kids potentially scratching themselves, it's not really a concern. Takes 3 AAA batteries, which are included, and the cover for that does have a screw in it, so kids aren't going to be able to get those batteries out. And there are 3 modes for the notch, so you can switch it to off, which lets you play with the toy. It'll still do the mechanical elements, but with no sound. It was in try me mode when it was in the box, and then flipping it to on. Taking her out of the try me mode is going to unlock some additional phrases that she'll say when you squeeze her tummy. Moving on to the Meilin Lee Doll, this particular doll that I'm holding right here is a Walmart exclusive. So if you're looking for her, you're going to want to go to Walmart. There is a different version of the Meilin Lee Doll, which is available at both Walmart and Target. That one has Meilin in her normal kind of everyday school clothes, and then also comes with a red panda suit that you can put her into, so you can kind of transform that doll. That one retails for around $20. This one is more around $13. Having already seen the film, I can say that Meilin does wear something like this at some point in the film. So as a normal girl, she dresses up a little bit like her red panda persona. That's part of the plot of the film, so that's what this doll is giving you, and it's a different look than you'll get with that other doll that has the transforming element. So just looking at the packaging, one of the things that's fun bringing you into the story is that Meilin loves to draw and doodle. So the package is looks like it's torn bits of her school paper with some of her doodles and some photos that she's taken, which is on Polaroids, which is all part of the film. So it's a lot of fun. Let's open up the box and take a look at the doll in more detail. Here is that Meilin doll out of the package. Some really cute details on her. I love the little poof balls on the end of the dangles to tie up her hoodie. It doesn't actually connect around through the hoodie like it would in real life. It's just for show, but that is adorable. The hoodie does have a tail on the end of it too. She's got purple leggings. Her shoes are pretty darn cute, little white sneakers with pink accents. And then the hood can come off. Actually, all of the clothes are removable, but the hood can come down so you can style her with it up or down. Her hair has a little teal beret in it. She has little tiny yellow star earrings. She's got her glasses on. So this is an adorable 6-inch likeness of Meilin from the film Turning Red. It's in doll form. And again, this is just kind of your standard doll of Meilin Lee the girl. There's also that $20 doll at Walmart and Target where Meilin can transform into her red panda self. But just with these two, especially because she turns into a giant red panda, not just a regular size red panda. Having the doll and the plush kind of gives you that same story moment and probably is more close to the scale of Meilin's transformation. Now onto the mystery figures. It's a mystery. We don't know which one we're going to get. This is series 1, and there are 10 possibilities. 5 of them are red pandas, 5 of them are humans. All of them are a different emotion, and there are some duplicates, so sometimes it might be human or red panda May as angry, but there are some where it's only in one version, like defeated and side-eye, for example, are only available for human May. Yawning is only available for red panda May. So let's see which 3 figures we get out of here. The first one I got is Starstruck Red Panda May, and this was a bit of a surprise. They didn't look flocked on the packaging, but it's a flocked figure, so she's nice and fuzzy and super adorable, as you can see. The second figure I got is Angry Red Panda May, and I just discovered the flocked one is actually a rare chaser. So if you get a flocked one, a fuzzy one like this, you are very, very lucky, and I feel very special right now for having gotten her. And the last box was the standard edition of the Starstruck May. So again, this is what Starstruck May typically looks like, and if you get a fuzzy one, you are very, very lucky. Thank you again to Just Play for sharing all of these products with us. And again, this is really just the tip of the iceberg of what they have available in the Turning Red line. There is a Red Panda journal, and May loves to doodle in the film, so you could get that journal and pretend to be May. There's a craft kit called Shrinky Dinks that's themed to the film. There are also other plushes that aren't motion activated, but they're in different sizes. My favorite of those is Red Panda May wearing a Four Town t-shirt. That's the boy band in the film that she's obsessed with. So lots of great products, also some figures beyond the mystery figure line. So definitely go check all of that out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Turning Red on Disney Plus starting March 11th. Thanks. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.